This one's got a tree at the bottom. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about right here. So there's a campground up there, Rattler Ford. Is that what you're talking about?
What's up?
The campground, Rattler Ford.
Yeah, there's a couple campgrounds.
I see what you're talking about.
And, good looking ledges in here. They look kind of fun.
Sounds good. This guy and his U-Haul. See, this is how you do it. You need a truck. Just get a truck.
Yeah, y'all want to check out the Taj Mahal over here?
Let's check out this inside. This is living in style right here. Look at this. That's awesome. He even works out in here, got his little weights for working out.
Yeah, we got all the amenities. We got a good gym, you know.
His bed.
A bunch of random crap.
Well, there you go. Santeetlah Creek, put in bridge right here. Comes in right there. You can definitely see we've got enough water to get down this thing. Let's get on it. It's gonna be a fun day. The Curve Creek. That's crazy that graphic came off that easy. Oh, it's
it's like a sticker.
No, it's been been applied after they molded it. They put it on, they heat it. I see why now. Because they can't put graphics on a blow molded. No, that's also been applied. Yeah, look at that. You can see I brought the good old surge out for this one. This one's got a tree at the bottom. That would have been the line. You just go right into a waterfall. Looks like just stay right. Woo! Oh boy, look at this. Woo! What? Whoa! Yeah! That was a good one.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Little mini Energizer.
Yeah, exactly.
So even at this level, it looks like that reconnect there is going to be a little painful. Maybe far right, but damn, I don't like that reconnect. So I would want, my original line was come down the center and try to get over that, but I'm going to hit, not worth it to me to mess with this. Unless you could get far right and try to hit that little seam, but even then, You've got a lot of rock in place. And this is actually a pretty good level. I'd want to be in here even higher, honestly, to get this out of the way. The rest of it looks pretty good. So Josh is going to lower the boats down to me. So yeah, you guys get to see this drop. Definitely doable on the far right. With more water, I would come around that top rock and stay right, go right to that rooster tail and ramp off. I don't want to mess with over here. It'd been better to come in fast from that right side, I think. If we'd went under a tree, it would have lined us up. Little rail grind.
Yeah. Man, might have more in it.
I don't like the looks of that big tree sticking up. Nasty little log jam right there. Yeah, you can get up on that roost. Yeah. Woo! 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 You all right? You good? You went right down in the V. I tried to back off and I was like, oh shit. Yeah, you dried out on the... That's a broken little ledge. Woo! Big tree across the river down here. Yeah, it looked good all the way down. Yeah. Left?
Yeah, left.
Woo! That little tree made me a little nervous. Woohoo! Woo! So go far right. Just ride it out. Is it a booth? It goes. Got the Santeetlah in the books.
That's right. See you, bro.
It was awesome. Let's stay in touch, man.
Yeah, totally.
All right, there we are. We're back a little later than what we wanted, but check that one off. Upper Santeetlah. Just got back to the vehicles. So yeah, thanks a lot, everybody. Leave in a comment below if you guys have paddled this run or you know somebody has paddled this run. But thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys next time. Woo, let's get out of here.